introduce yourself?
My name is Enza. I work at the Willowbridge site. And I'm the manager here. We've got 23 staff, we've got an assistant manager and one supervisor.
Oh, that sounds good. So would you please just tell me different type of services that you have here within your company?
Okay, we have quite a few services that we provide.
Yeah.
From your basic car wash, which is inside, outside, vacuum, tires, windows. We do polishes on cars for minor scratches and scuff marks to make the color pop again. We also have engine cleans, ceramic waxes, full house where we do wash the seats, wash the carpets, the roof, everything, engine and a polish. We do ceramic waxes that are very good for your car, protects your car against the sun, and also stuff like bird poo that goes through your top coat. So this I would recommend 2 to 3 times a year. In between, you can just do a couple of normal washes.
Oh, that sounds good. Would you please again tell me different branches that you have within Cape Town here or Western Cape in South Africa?
Yeah, we started in the Western Cape. Currently, we are the biggest in the Western Cape. We started we've got 2 or 3 in Joburg at the moment, and the boss is aimed to be the biggest in South Africa, so that's our aim.
When have you started this business?
This business started 3 years ago on the 1st of November.
Wow.
Yeah,
And how many branches in total?
We've got 32 branches in total.
Okay. So my last question is, do you advertise this business through online platforms? And which one? Tell us.
Online platforms, yes we do. We Facebook and Instagram. We run regular promotions and competitions on that as well. We can get discount. And your profile will automatically come up. So you go to any one of our branches and your profile will be there. Also, this is just a test. We'll bring up the vehicle that you drive and the service you did last time. So I can select any service that I want, size of the vehicle, and the price. As soon as we submit this, a WhatsApp will be sent to the customer saying that the car is booked in with us. So you will receive your WhatsApp. Thank you for using Thunder Brothers Car Wash Willowbridge, and your car is in the system. As soon as I press collect, you will get another WhatsApp from us saying that your car is ready for collection and that you can come fetch your car, which is very convenient if you are in the center. Then the last WhatsApp that will come through will be one where you can rate us and give us feedback on what you've experienced.
So the type of technologies that you have within your business, you can interconnect with your client and so on. That is a very good. This is what we wanted to say. We always say to our students that based on your objectives and strategies that you have within your business, you can merge with technologies. That's very good. That's very good. And that is so friendly, first of all. And your clients, you are contacting your clients on real time. Okay, you contact your clients on real time, and then they come. It's so reliable. This is what you are looking for within the business. Yes. That this is taking your business to a certain level whereby you use technologies within your business, and then you get benefit of the technology or existing technologies.
Definitely. So Thunder Brothers are definitely moving with the times. So give us a try.
Very good. That's very good. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Cool. Thank you.